Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to find the remainder when you are given a polynomial which is divided by a monomial in the form of ax plus b. Say you have the polynomial x cubed minus 3x plus 4 which is divided by monomial, by linear polynomial 2x plus 3, and you need to find the remainder. The first way that comes to your mind is just straightforward. All you do is just take this polynomial and use this old-fashioned long division and divide it by that monomial. However, there is a faster way of finding this remainder. So all you need to do is just know the extended remainder theorem. Why extended? Because there is a normal usual remainder theorem. And by the way, I do have a separate video on a remainder theorem, and I will link it down below in the description box. And if you're up to this, you could go ahead and check it out later. Now, what basically extended remainder theorem says? It asserts, it states that if you are given any polynomial, let's call it p of x, and if this polynomial is divided, let's say by a monomial sx minus t, then the remainder could be found by taking t over s. So all you need to do is just take t over s and make up kind of a fraction. So you want to take this constant t and you need to swap, you need to switch the sign, divided by the leading, the first coefficient in front of x, and all you do is just plug in, sub in this t over s into your original polynomial. So you need to find the value, in other words, p of t over s. This value gives you the remainder. So it's gonna be your remainder. Now, let's put it to the test. So you are given this polynomial and you are given this monomial. So all you need to do is just take this fraction, you read it off from that monomial. So basically your s, it's gonna be 2, your t is gonna be negative 3 since you are given plus 3. So you wanna take the opposite. Wow. So this is your s, and this is your t in this case. So what you want to do, you want to take 3 over 2, and again you want to take the negative one, the opposite, and you want to plug it in into your polynomial. Let's call it p of x for just the sake of convenience. And you need to plug it in everywhere x appears in your polynomial. So it becomes, so negative 3 halves cubed minus 3 times negative 3 halves, and you need to add this 4. All you need to do is just figure out. So I'm going to do this quickly. So the odd power you need to keep negative. You could basically pull it out front. 3 cubed gives you, remember when you have a fraction and you raise it to the any powers, basically you raise separately top and bottom to this power. So 3 cubed gives you 27, 2 cubed you're gonna left with 8, minus, so basically minus 3 times 3 over 2, so the value becomes overall positive. 3 times 3, that would leave you with 9 over 2, and you still have this 4 hanging around. All you want to do is you want to get the common denominator, which is going to be 8, so you want to keep the first fraction as is, so 27 over 8. The second one, you want to multiply by 4 top and bottom simultaneously, so you want to keep plus. So you multiply by 4, so it's going to be 9 times 4, 36 over 8. And the last one plus, so 4 gets multiplied by 8, they would leave you with 32 over 8. And you need to figure out this value. So your top becomes 41 over 8. And basically, since your top happens to be greater than bottom, you can convert it, you can change it, turn it into a mixed number. 8 goes into 41 5 times, leaving you 1 over 8. So it comes out to be 5 and 1 over 8. So that's gonna be your remainder. So basically, again, that implies the implication is this is your remainder when you divide this given cubic polynomial by that monomial. Well, I hope it has been helpful to you. Huge thanks for watching and training your brain. I know everyone hates maths, but if you like my video, please hit this like, share with your friends, leave the comments down below, and be sure to smash that subscribe button if you haven't, so you'll not miss out my new videos. It states. So basically, you